So what are stem cells and what is a bone marrow aspirate? Well, actually all the procedures currently in the United States that are using cells from bone marrow and calling them stem cell procedures are actually using bone marrow aspirate. Bone marrow aspirate is a way of taking cells from the bone marrow and concentrating them. Now, a fraction of those cells are adult mesenchymal stem cells, as well as hematopoietic stem cells. Mesenchymal stem cells are the cells that cause repair. They're the repair and master immune cell in the body. Hematopoietic stem cells are also stem cells that lead to red blood cell production and production of other circulatory cells. Hematopoietic stem cells have also been found in research to be able to trigger regrowth of muscles and tendons when they're injected into those sites. So those are also repair stem cells. Other cells are present in a bone marrow aspirate as well. Neutrophils, these are a common immune system cell that helps in the fighting of disease. Monocytes, macrophages, eosinophils, all immune cells. So a true stem cell procedure is not being currently offered in the United States. A true stem cell procedure, such as what's offered in the Cayman Clinic in the Regenix family of clinics, is a way of taking that specific mesenchymal cell and expanding them and multiplying them. Now, is that superior to a bone marrow aspirate procedure? The debate is still out. Remember, a bone aspirate procedure has mesenchymal stem cells, hematopoietic stem cells, eosinophils, neutrophils, macrophages, and monocytes. So at the end of the day, they're almost two separate procedures. A true stem cell procedure is taking that specific mesenchymal cell, expanding it, and then using that to repair, whereas a bone marrow aspirate procedure is using multiple cells from the bone marrow. Now, another type of procedure is mixing the two together, using bone marrow aspirate, fresh bone marrow aspirate with multiple cell types, and again, using multiplied stem cells. And that's even a superior form of procedure. But again, each procedure type, patients ask that many times, should I use an expanded stem cell procedure or should I use a bone marrow aspirate procedure? Well, individual issues respond better to one or the other, and it also depends on severity. So it's not an easy question to answer. But the main take-home point from this video is that a bone marrow aspirate procedure in the United States has stem cells as well as multiple other repair cells that all act together to create repair. So the idea of stem cells creating all of the healing is a little bit simplistic. It's actually all these cells working together in ways and ratios that we're still discovering. So we may find in the future that to heal, let's say, a tendon or a ligament, you want to use a certain ratio of mesenchymal stem cells, hematopoietic stem cells, and macrophages. But we haven't done that yet. Science is still advancing in that direction. And that is the future of regenerative medicine. Finding out which cell types and which cell type ratios are better for which problems and at which levels of severity.